Let's change the color of background without affecting the lighting of the scene. Open the file for which you want to change the background color. Go to Shading tab and change the viewport shading to viewport rendering from the top right in 3D viewport. In the shader editor, change type from object to world. This way we can change the world settings. We can directly change the color using the background shader node, but it also affects the lighting of the scene. So we will use another method. We will use two shaders, one that affects the lighting of the scene, and the other will affect the background color of the scene. To combine two shaders, we will use a Mix Shader node. Add a Mix Shader node by clicking Add, Shader, Mix Shader. Add another background shader node by clicking Add, Shader, Background Shader. Connect both of them to the Mix Shader. Remember that arrangement of the background shader nodes matters in this case, which I will explain later. Now in the 3D viewport, we are seeing the mix of both background shaders. To solve this issue, we add Light Path node. Click Add, Input, Light Path to add the node. Connect as camera ray output to the factor input of Mix Shader node. Now, the first background shader will affect the lighting of the scene, while the second background shader will affect the background color of the scene. Keep in mind that the node arrangement is important for this setup to work. You may change the background to any color using the second background shader node. This is the final setup in the shader editor. Thanks for watching. Detailed tutorial available on my website. Link in the description.